Okay, hey guys, what's up? This is the next video. These are my topics first. First thing I want to say that I want to see the additional advisor and it should consult in responsible for the profit. Okay, these are just for education purposes. Okay, these are my topics for December. Now the first one I just studied Jules. These are actually the diamonds in disguise because rapid research and the demand seen these stocks are definitely the good ones. Okay, next are the future calls and then it's the option call. Okay. Now first studied call is Shriram Transport. Shriram Transport I want to buy at 935 with a target of 970 and with a 3 months wait. And I have with my listeners I have taken the consultant. I mean innumerable amounts of institutions and consultancies. I mean, be it Motilal or sebi, I have collected all of them and created a common collection of it. The buy at 935 target at 970 with a 3 months wait. The stock is on an upward trend and with positive returns. And the news that will definitely hit the stock is going to be the banking license the RBIs are trying to provide. Then let's see the technical analysis too. Okay, RBI internal working group for banking license to large corporate houses. So definitely this is a positive news for Shriram Transport and Finance Company because if they get the banking houses, they're definitely going to grow. So this is a positive news and let's see what happens. Okay, this is the daily chart. You can see the upward trend of Shriram Transport with minimum amount of profit booking or retractment. You can see an upward trend and you can also see that the 200 exponential moving average is going to cross this is your 50 exponential moving average, also called the golden cross. If this crosses, it is definitely an indication for an upward trend, and with positive results of Shriram Transport, it is definitely going to give an upward trend. Okay, let's talk about the result. The result you can see is let's talk about the positive result. You can see that Shriram Transport has risen by 32% in the last 2 weeks, and the one of the many reasons is that company for Q2 achieved an asset management growth of 5% for year to year and 1.4% quarter to quarter to rupees 1,13,000 crores with a net interest income seen stable. So it is quite a positive despite additional COVID-19 provisions of rupees 417 crores in Q2. It is showing a very stable and strong foundation and a positive and with decent numbers. So this is definitely my first pick for the December month. Then we have Raymond. Okay, Raymond is Raymond the buy call is given at 308 and target is 338. 338 is actually the 200 EMA resistance. So it is going to definitely hit the spot. Okay, what is the reason why I've given this is it is the number one company suited fabric and fashion retailer in India. And it is seen in accumulation by value investors. With an uptrend and stock up by 13% in November, you can see that it's gaining interest of value investors. And the future seems bright for Raymond because if the unlock happens, then the demand for Raymond is definitely going to increase because of the fabric retail demand is going to increase. With decent results, even in the lockdown, it has showing decent numbers and survived the lockdown with quite a good foundation. So I think it is a good pick for December. Now let's see the news. Okay, the CMO Raymond Shanti Swarup Panda said that the demand is going to come back and formal is here to be and casual is here to stay safe. So this is actually pretty uh, yes, pretty much expected, because the demand is definitely going to come back when the lockdown happens. People are right now busy in work from home, and they're going to go back to their off jobs and offices. So retail companies' demand is going to come back. Next, we have the technical analysis. You can see that it has given from a range bound. Now it has given a breakout. It's a daily chart, and 338 is the resistance. 338 is the target. 3 months view. It's showing uptrend. It is definitely going to cover this. Okay, the next stock that I'm giving is CG Power. CG Power, any active trader or investor knows about CG Power, and many have made profits in this with the positive news about Murugappa takeover. It definitely hit the stock very nicely, and it is an accumulation by valued investors and has given a rise of 145% in 3 months. So CG Power, I'm giving a buy of 34 and with a target of 42 3 months. It will turn debt free and has shown really decent results. So it has a bright future. CG Power lenders agree on for loan restructuring and for Murugappa takeover. It will really turn around the company, and yes, it is a decent investment pick. You can see the chart analysis. It is showing an uptrend, and it showed profit. There was some profit booking in the last trading day, but now this is a very strong support, 34.30, and I think with the positive news and numbers, it will now move in the upward direction. Okay, then let's see what happens. Future call. Okay, now the future call that I'm giving is of Z Enterprises. The future call that I'm giving is of Z, and it was in November. It was seen that it was moving in a range, and now with positive news and uptrend, the bullish market, you can see that now it is going to give the breakout, and with a buy at 185 November future target, I've given a very minimum target of 188. Okay, the next I'm going to give is an option call. I'll with UPL, I'll show really decent results, and I think the short term, it's gonna give a short term benefit to the stock in December. So I'm recommended sell December 430 PE, and with a gain of 10. You can exit at the gain of 10, but I personally gain of 7. That is this first resistance, but I think it is going to break that resistance and definitely give a gain of 10. So December 430 PE. Another note that I wanted to give is prefer selling options, because you know that option buying does not give that much better risk return. Option selling really provides good returns, but keep in mind of putting a 5 to 10% stop loss according to your risk capacity. Okay, thank you. This is my first video, so if you're watching this, please like and subscribe.